In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your photos using Lightroom's color adjustment tools, perfecting each hue to your liking. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the photo you wish to work on within Lightroom. Start by navigating to your library or album and selecting the image, which will bring it up in the editing view, ready for your artistic touch. Our first stop is the color panel. If you're working on a desktop or using the web version, locate the right-hand panel and click on the Color tab. For mobile users, simply tap the color icon located in the bottom toolbar. This will open up a wide array of options, including white balance, color mix, or what Adobe calls the color mixer, and color grading settings. The color mix panel is your toolkit for individually adjusting colors within your photo. You'll find a set of colored circle icons, each representing different color ranges. Think red, orange, yellow, and so on. By clicking or tapping on the colored circle that corresponds to the tone you want to adjust, you gain control over specific hue, saturation, and luminance sliders. Let's break these down. The hue slider allows you to shift the actual tone of your chosen color. For instance, greens could be shifted toward either yellow or teal. The saturation slider adjusts how vivid or muted that color appears, lending either a pop to your picture or a more subdued, natural look. Luminance, on the other hand, alters how bright or dark the selected color range shows up. Let's say you're editing a photo where the grass looks too bright green, and you think a more yellow-green tone might suit it best. You'd select green from the color options, then nudge the hue slider slightly toward yellow. If the green is overpowering, lower the saturation. Maybe the scene could also use a bit more brightness, so increase the luminance a touch. Now, for a more fine-tuned approach, the targeted adjustment tool can be particularly handy. You'll want to look for a small target or eyedropper icon in the mix section. This tool simplifies the process. Tap on it, then click anywhere in your image on the color you want to change. By dragging horizontally or vertically, you can seamlessly modify the hue, saturation, and luminance right there. Once your adjustments are set, it's time to take a step back and preview your work. Most versions of Lightroom will offer a preview button, or you might use the # key to toggle a before and after view. Make sure everything looks natural, especially skin tones, to avoid any unwanted shifts. If you have several images with similar lighting conditions, save time by copying these adjustments across images or saving them as a preset for future edits. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can achieve a polished and personalized look in Lightroom. Happy editing!